So hope all of you are seriously observing the National Nutrition Month, if not month, at least a week. Okay. I'm sure all of you, I can see Spandana ji is carrying a notebook also. So अच्छी बात है. All of you're writing down the points, and today's topic is that you actually need a paper, I mean a notebook, where you can jot down all the points so that you can share it with others. Okay. So let's see. Once again, very good afternoon and welcome on Get Set Up. So today's topic is for the Nutrition Awareness Month, guideline to healthy eating for older adults. So what are these guidelines? Before that, the objectives are stay hydrated. No, one second. I think I have opened the wrong PPT. One second. Let me. Okay. I don't know. I can't. Okay, chalo. We'll start with the class. Okay, so there are few guidelines which ICMR has given, but if you ask me, following those guidelines I feel it is very complicated. Correct. So when it comes to food, we find that we ourselves, we make it very complicated. Correct. Right. How many of you agree to this point? Whenever we talk about food, we ourselves, we are making it complicated. Right. So when we talk about the guidelines for healthy eating or guidelines for older adults. So what are those? There are a lot of, if you search on Google, the ICMR or the recommended allowances, the ICMR has recently come up with the entire guideline right from a toddler to an elderly person. Okay. So these are very complicated. When we make food very complicated, it becomes our enemy. देखो food को ना अपना दोस्त अगर if we make friendship with the food will provide nutrients to our body, which we are not doing, right? So I have prepared my own guideline, which I'll share with you, which is very easy, which is very simple, because past 3 days we have been discussing a lot of points. So today in this last class of this Nutrition Awareness Month, today is the last class. So here, few things, if we start adding in our diet and few necessary activities, if we start doing, our health will be perfect. Yesterday we discussed the blue zone, right? So all of us, we will come under that blue zone. All of us will be Sachin Tendulkar, sub 100 cross karenge without bimari. Okay. So now what are these simple guidelines? One by one, step by step, I'll discuss. If you want, you can note it down and share it with all your friends. The younger people can modify according to their needs and they can also use these guidelines. Okay. First thing, the first guideline is, remember, there are 5 elements in our body. Like the external environment has got 5 elements. Similarly, inside our body, there are 5 elements. So when these elements are not in balance, so we get some kind of, the body is not at ease, right? So let's first balance these elements. For balancing these elements, we need to do mudra every day. And mudra is such a beautiful science that if you just practice mudra, You will not need any antacid to digest your food. You will not need any tablet, to take early in the morning, empty stomach, to get rid of your acidity. Simply by doing the mudra therapy at your own convenient time. There is nothing before food or after food. Whenever you are free, you are walking, you are sitting, you are watching television. Even if you are talking with someone over phone for a long time, you can put it on a speaker or you can use your Bluetooth. Only condition is your both hands must be free. Then you can do the mudra. Very simple, 3-4 mudras I will show you. Start practicing this. The entire balance system will get balanced within 21 days if you are doing this, mudra therapy constantly. Like, it's not that one day you did 3 days break. No, every day for the specified time. Okay. So number one mudra is the Vayu mudra, which means the index finger will touch the base of the thumb. Okay, this is Vayu mudra, right? So this is a compulsory mudra because as we start aging, because of less activity or sedentary lifestyle, gastric problem, acidity, constipation are the common problem. So to avoid this, so this is the air element. The हमारी body में air element goes up. So we are going to bring down the air element by doing this Vayu mudra. Correct, like this. Perfect. Okay. This is Vayu mudra. So the time is at least in a day 30 to 35 minutes. It's very easy. Each one of you must be doing pranayam at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. So you can sit in this Vayu mudra. If you are going for a walk, minimum 20 to 25 minutes you will be walking. You can keep your finger like this. Let's say you are not doing walking, you're not going for walking, you're not doing pranayam. No problem. You will be watching TV for some time. You will be right now, sitting in get set up classes. So sit for 30 minutes like this, Vayu Mudra. So this will balance your air element. Every health problem after the age of 50 starts because the air element goes up. So this should, the tip of your index fingers should touch the base of the thumb and you should hold this properly. Your index finger को हमको दबा के रखना है अपने thumb से. ठीक है? And comfortably you can place it on your thigh. Right? So this is the first one for 30 to 35 minutes. Second, the energy levels go down. Energy. Yes, Pravina ji. हाँ. So हमारे, हाँ जी. Okay. So our energy levels go down. ठीक है. So हमारे energy levels को increase करने के लिए, because बहुत सारे reasons है. We feel very tired easily. Energy levels कम होते हैं. Why the energy levels go down? Because the earth element and the water element in our body are not in balance. Why the earth element is not in balance? Because of the weight issues. Body में weight बढ़ने लगता है. So as we start aging, you will find that the body becomes, especially for the females, it becomes a pear-shaped body, we say, na? From your tummy, the thighs and the hip portion, their fat accumulation is more for the females. Have you noticed this? This is a very common thing. And for the men, you will find that pot belly, the stomach comes out, right? So this is because of the, increase in the earth element and there's no balance in the water element, the energy level goes down. So to increase our energy, the second mudra will be Prana Mudra. Now, how we do Prana Mudra? The little tip of the little finger, ye wali, little finger, ring finger, this one, and thumb, like this. These three tips will touch each other. This is Prana Mudra. Okay, so these two, Prana Mudra, again you do it for 15 to 20 minutes. This one is compulsory, 30 to 35 minutes, Vayu Mudra. 10 to 15 minutes you do prana mudra anytime, even while in the afternoon you are taking rest, you can lie down and keep your fingers like this. That's okay. So हमारे पास बहुत time रहता है करने के लिए, but we generally tend to forget or we थोड़ा सा lazy हो जाते हैं, correct? So don't be very lazy. This is the best thing, a natural way to balance all the elements in your body. नहीं तो हम कितनी दवाइयां ही खाते रहते हैं, correct? So this is prana mudra. So first one, vayu mudra, compulsory. Prana mudra, less number of time, 10 to 10 minutes also if you do, it's good, right? And the third one, because as we start aging, lot of stress is there. हर बात पे stress. घर पे घंटी बजी तो स्ट्रेस, मेड नहीं आई तो स्ट्रेस, ये एवरीथिंग, 90% ऑफ द सीनियर्स दे अंडरगो स्ट्रेस, करेक्ट? ठीक है, सो स्ट्रेस के लिए 5 minutes when you get up in the morning, just meditate. How to meditate? Just keep your fingers, all the tips touching each other like this. This is called as Hakini Mudra. This will relax your mind. So morning when you get up, after brushing your teeth and after drinking water, sit for 5 minutes like this in Hakini Mudra. Close your eyes. Just sit like this. Nothing. कुछ thoughts आ रहे हैं, आने दीजिए, no problem. But 5 minutes you practice this in the morning and 5 minutes before going to bed at night. So these three mudras will take care of the entire, the elements inside your body, right?
Can you please tell the first mudra again?
First is the Vayu Mudra like this. Okay, this is Vayu Mudra.
Okay, thank you.
So these three mudras will help you to balance the 5 elements, right? Okay, simple, no expense, nothing. It's very simple. You have to just invest little time on this. This was the first guideline. Now the second guideline is,
भवानी जी, for thyroid भी please बता दीजिए.
huh?
For thyroid.
No, see, no, 1 second, Neeruji, I'll just finish the entire class because there are a lot of points to be discussed. So we will not discuss about thyroid or something. It's just the dietary guidelines is given today's topic. So whatever is related to diet and digestion, only on those, points I will be discussing. If we get time, then at the end, I'll tell you about the thyroid. Okay. So now the second guideline is, yeah, Lakshmi ji, I'll just request all of you that you give me half an hour's time. Let me finish and then you ask questions, whatever you have. I'll clear all the doubts, okay? So the second guideline is we need certain acids in our stomach that will help to digest food, right? So what are these acids and from where you are going to get these acids? I'm sharing a small list. Small list means there are only four food, 4 acids. The 4 acids which help in digestion. Because if you eat a very good food, but if you're not able to digest that food, then it is of no use. Body will not get nutrients. Okay? So what are these 4 acids? One is called as ascorbic acid. Second is the tartaric acid. Third is the gallic acid. Now iske sources kya hai? That also I'll mention. So try, I won't say try, you start including this in your diet. Okay. So number 1, ascorbic acid. The best source is Amla. Okay, the best source is Amla.
இதானே இன்னைக்கு வெடுக்கு வெடுக்குன்னு ஓட்டுனாலே ஜாக்கிரதையா ஓட்டு. எங்கன்னு வெடுக்குன்னு பிடிக்க கூடாது ஸ்டீரிங்.
முன்னாடி சடன் பிரேக் வச்சு.
Hello.
Some internet problem probably for the madam.
Anurag, what happened?
Even he is not answering.
Anurag is also not.
I'm really sorry. Yeah, this problem arises when there is no one at home. And when the important thing arrives, can't help it. So I'm really sorry for that. Okay.
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 There's nothing funny. Everybody is so.
It is okay.
नहीं बिकॉज एक बहुत मेरे को भी नहीं अच्छा लगता है इम्पोर्टेंट जब चल रहा है कुछ टॉपिक तो से उठने का
Everyone will face
It
the
was
same.
a network issue.
But
हाँ,
household
pardon?
activities are also very
It
important.
was a network issue.
Okay, okay. So I'll just start again. So I was saying about the 4 types of acids, right, which are very important for digestion. So number 1 is ascorbic acid. The best source is amla. So Indian gooseberries, when you consume this in any form, let's say it can be achar or it can be just, if you are cooking your sabzi, huh? So sabzi, like at the end, last 5 minutes when it's there, na, jab sabzi nikalne ke pehle jab, so that time just one avla, if you put it inside the sabzi, 5 minutes, let it be in the kadhai with the other sabzi, and then you take it out and remove the seed and eat. That is also enough. No, that becomes very soft. So maximum nutrient you will get. And of course, if you drink, yesterday you remember morning I said aloe vera juice. So along with aloe vera juice, you can add amla juice also. So in any form, because we need very little. But that little ascorbic acid, if your stomach is getting, which means the digestive system is improving. See, ultimately everything, whichever guideline you follow, there is only one guideline which I have seen in my experience, that if the stomach is working properly, if efficiently, if you're digesting your food, there won't be any problem, health issues. Okay, so then we are entering the blue zone, right? Okay, so this ascorbic acid we are getting from amla, then citric acid we get from lemon. Now lemon related issue is, many people say that lemon is acidic, that acidic lemon will not suit me. Some people say that I'm suffering from arthritis, so that lemon will not suit me. Let me tell you, and many times I have told this, that lemon is acidic in, highly acidic in nature, but when it gets mixed with the saliva and when it enters the stomach, it is highly alkaline. Okay, so lemon in any form, lemon actually should be taken every day. I don't know how many of you remember this, or you had observed when you were young, during school and college days, our grandparents, especially the dadis and nanis, used to have this lemon ka small piece along with the food. Now also when you go to restaurant, you will find that lemon's piece is there. We just squeeze it on the sabzi or whatever we are eating, right? Dal and all. So that little amount of lemon, I'm not saying the entire lemon, but that small piece, if you have every day, that juice, maybe 1 or 2 drops, that itself will give a good amount of citric acid, which will be very helpful in digestion. Okay, so another, like you can take lemon, pickle, those things are there. But of course, if you are consuming that small piece of lemon every day with your food, at least once in a day, that is enough. And the second option is just plain water. No need to heat it and all, just plain water, squeeze lemon, half lemon, and drink that water, preferably in the first half. Like morning, if you feel that no, morning I won't be able to drink this lemon juice, that's okay. Around 11 o'clock, 10:30 also, you can drink this lemon. Okay. So small, just one small piece of this amla, little bit of lemon. So that will take care of the ascorbic acid. That will take care of the citric acid. Now coming to the tartaric acid. Now this tartaric acid, believe me, South Indians get maximum, because tamarind is the best source of tartaric acid, and we South Indians make use of tamarind a lot. Okay, so tartaric acid is excellent for digestion. So small amount, and imli is the best source. So a small amount of imli, not every day. Avla you can eat every day. Lemon juice you can take every day. But especially the non-South Indians, those who are not very used to tamarind, do not consume imli every day. Maybe once in a week you can make something out of it. Okay, a sambar or rasam. And rasam is the best, food, for the best way you can supply tartaric acid to your body, where you can easily, it will be easier for you to digest, right? And then the fourth one is called as the gallic acid. Now, gallic acid you will get only from the mangoes, especially the kacha mangoes, raw mangoes. And the only way to get gallic acid is through your mango ka pickle only, because mango is not available all through the year. Correct? So only during summers we get mango. So that time we can make aam ka panna, we can eat in different ways. But of course, all through the year, you can only have the mango ka pickle. So if the second guideline is, if you are consuming these 4 acids regularly, आपका digestive system वैसे ही अच्छा हो जाएगा. Number 1 is through the mudra, you are improving you are balancing all the elements in your body. Correct? Second is, if you are consuming the 4 acid in very small amount every day, stomach will always be working efficiently. Whatever you eat, it will get digested. You can actually, keep a contest with your children and grandchildren. एक ही चीज घर में सब लोग खाओ, आप भी खाओ, बच्चे भी खाए, ग्रैंडचिल्ड्रन भी खाए, उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट डे पूछना कि डाइजेशन किसका अच्छा हुआ, एंड यू चैलेंज that I will digest the food easily. Okay, so this was the second guideline. Now the third one. Okay, the third guideline is there are certain food that we can include, and I'm sure that you might be including in everyday diet. Okay, and these are very common food जो हम Indians खाते ही हैं. उसमें number one common thing is without this particular thing, no Indian food, we cannot even think of any Indian food. Can you just tell me what is that on the chat? क्या है that one thing
Turmeric,
with the
haldi.
perfect answer. Yes, that is turmeric, haldi. So haldi is actually a natural antioxidant. So every food we are adding haldi. It can be a sabzi, or because even you will not feel like eating if we are not adding haldi to it. But if we are taking haldi in a little different way, that will improve our immune system, because when we start aging, there is, the immunity also goes down. You remember during COVID, your children might have told you कि मम्मी पापा कुछ नहीं, किसी से मिलना नहीं, बात नहीं करना, अकेले रहना, because there the chances were more. Why? Because immunity is low, right? So anyways, we are adding in the food, and haldi wala doodh is very common in Indian culture. Okay, now the youngsters go to big cafe and they get that what turmeric latte, right? हम लोग तो वैसे ही पीते. But milk is something again. I always feel, this is my opinion. I am not telling you all to go for this, but nowadays the milk which we are consuming, it is the commercial milk, A1 protein, which is hard to digest. So if you are comfortable with milk, you can go for haldi wala milk. But another better solution in today's time is, if you really want to get that benefit from haldi, a good haldi, so start adding just, what to say, छोटा सा 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder you take, add honey to it, half teaspoon honey to it, and this you consume anytime. दिन में कोई एक बार start having this. So this will provide, it's a good antioxidant, and because when we are cooking, so what happens, we are adding haldi and we are cooking it for a longer time. So basically we want that nourishment from that particular spice, correct? So अब ये थोड़ा सा अगर रोज भी भूल जाते हैं, so weekly once, twice, thrice, 3 time अगर आप करेंगे, so that will give a very good result. So number one was turmeric, which is an excellent antioxidant. Then the second one is a rich source of magnesium. Okay, so magnesium maximum अगर आपको चाहिए अपने डाइट में, if the doctor has told you कि आप magnesium बढ़ाइए अपने डाइट में, the best source is spinach. Okay, but spinach in 2 ways, if you consume, then only you get the benefit of the spinach. Otherwise, it's a very tasty food. That's it, but no nourishment in that. So one way of consuming spinach is either you make juice, add some other vegetable to it, make a juice, strain and drink. That's one way where 100% of the benefit you get. That is total magnesium you will get. Second way is when you are making smoothie, you can add few leaves of spinach. That is also raw, so that will help. But if you don't want to have the juice and smoothie, then you steam the spinach. आप हल्का सा उसको स्टीम करना एंड हल्के से तेल में सौते करके, बहुत ज्यादा पकाना नहीं है, then you can have that as a sabzi. That's a good option. So maximum magnesium we will get from the spinach, right? Now the next micronutrient is magnesium. Okay, magnesium also you will be hearing from the doctors कि आप magnesium अपने diet में बढ़ाओ. So magnesium बढ़ाने का the best tarika is magnesium. So I just said spinach. Sorry, I was talking about vitamin C. Vitamin C also it will improve the immunity, right? So vitamin C ka you tell me what is the best source of vitamin C? All of us we know the best source of vitamin C. सबको पता है.
Amla.
बताइए. आंवला
Orange.
और
Amla.
Man, tuna, tuna.
Guava,
tuna
amrut.
तो मैं बात बताऊं. Shall I say
Tomatoes.
one second? Shall I say I don't 1 second. I don't like chorus. ठीक है. Chorus अच्छा नहीं आता है. Please put it on the chat.
Lemon
सब
or
एक साथ-
orange?
No. I don't want the answer, verbal answer. Put it on the chat. कोरस अच्छा नहीं लगता है सुनने में. आप चैट में डालिए. मिल्क, guava, orange, आंवला, good, lemon, orange. ठीक है. So the best source of vitamin C is considered as lemon, orange, all the citrus fruits, which tomatoes also. Tuna will not have much of vitamin C. It is more of, we will come to that. It's calcium. Okay. ठीक है. Guava to some extent. ठीक है सब कुछ. But okay, these are fine. But let me tell you, you can add one thing in your diet and regular basis pay. No, that's excellent to increase the vitamin, because see, ascorbic acid is only vitamin C, which I said आंवला. Lemon भी हम ले रहे हैं. Correct. इसके अलावा अगर आप sweet potato अपने diet में include करते हैं. Okay, sweet potato is excellent to increase the immune system. It also contains vitamin C. So sweet potato is another option. अगर आपको, see, some people are really afraid of lemons. उनको बहुत डर लगता है लेमन से. मेरे को see, और कुछ लोगों का ना मैंने देखा भी है, दांत में they get some kind of sensation if they start having lemon. So the body is not accepting. Chalo, let's say the body is not accepting lemons, and because I am saying you need not force your body to have lemons, that's okay. So अब sweet potato लेना शुरू करो. Okay. So sweet potato you can have, right?
Can we
Now
put
the
lemonade?
next one
Lemonade?
is, huh?
Lemonade we can consume.
See,
Lemonade.
any citrus group you can consume, but if you have issue, like some people really they don't, their body is not accepting, in that case, the best source is sweet potato. Okay. Now another one is, that is if you have inflammation problem. देखो कभी-कभी होता है कि आंखें सूज जाती है, skin में कुछ ये होने लगता है, which we call it as inflammation, right? In this case, you start having honey. अब honey is थोड़ा सा dicey. If you're diabetic, you can't have honey, right? Now, one more, this one I will add in this list, and that is carrot. Carrot is excellent, rich in vitamin A, and it has got many more nutrients. So carrot भी add करो, but remember any vegetable. Please, today's last class for the Nutrition Awareness Month, and those who are regularly for the past 3-4 years, those who are on Get Set Up, like regularly attending the classes, आप सबको पता है, but those who have recently joined the classes, who are not familiar with this thing. So let me tell you one thing, any vegetable which you are consuming, thinking that I'm having a good diet, I'm having a lot of vegetables in my diet. Remember, the vegetables which we are eating, it is in the cooked form. जितनी भी सब्जियां हम खाते हैं उसको पका के खाते हैं. So सब्जियों को जितना, the more you cook the vegetable, the more the nutrients gets destroyed. So there are only two ways to get the entire nourishment from the vegetables. Either you make juice out of it. If you do not like juice, you can go for salad. If you do not like to eat salad, if you can't eat salad, the third option is steam the vegetables. So steaming will prevent the loss of nourishment, and then you, for just for 1 or 2 minutes, you saute the vegetable and you have it. Add spices, it tastes good. मैडम बहुत उसको मसाले में डाल के, तेल में डाल के उसको टेस्टी बनाएंगे तो वो चला जाता है नरिशमेंट. ओके, सो दिस वाज द नेक्स्ट गाइडलाइन. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट गाइडलाइन for healthy eating for the seniors is eat any food with gratitude, because we always go on a guilt trip. If abhi Ganesh Chaturthi is there on Saturday, correct? ठीक है, स्वीट खाया तो we will go एक गिल्ट ट्रिप में ही घूमने लगते हैं, ये खा लिया, वो खा लिया, ये होगा, वो होगा. So remember one very important thing. We are trying to give very good diet to our body. What about diet to our mind? So the process, the moment the mind starts thinking, oh, I have eaten this, I have eaten that, now tomorrow I have to do more of exercise, now my weight will increase. So this will again, it will be a hurdle in your journey, health journey. Okay. So now what we are going to do is how we are going to, number one step, remember, which is very important, and that is your weight. When we start aging, if we try to manage our weight, all the problems, jitne bhi health problems hai na, they will get sorted. But our issue is we are not managing our weight. Why we are not managing our weight? Either it is, little on the higher side, or overweight or obesity. Yes, thumbs up, jinke videos on hai. It is not at the normal level. अच्छा ठीक है, agreed? Yes, जिनके all the Mr. Indias, those who are there, put it on the chat. Yes, आप मानते हो ना इस बात को, हमारा weight, it is little on the higher, let's say 3 to 4 kgs ज्यादा है, ऐसा अपने हिसाब से हम सोचते हैं, ठीक है. Overweight है 10 किलो ज्यादा है, obese है 20-50 किलो ज्यादा है. All of us, see, every person, a man or a woman, if you ask, everyone will say weight बढ़ गया, weight बढ़ गया, weight बढ़ गया, and then we all keep a photo, we all actually see that photo, पुराना 20 साल पुराना, oh, I was so thin, now I have put on weight. See, when we start aging, थोड़ा सा weight put on होगा, but if the weight is too much, then it becomes difficult for us to control or manage the non-communicable diseases like BP, sugar, all these things, right? So weight ko, how do I justify that my weight is little more, बहुत ज़्यादा या बहुत over? See, there has to be a parameter. Now, all these old students of Get Set Up Nutrition are very, very old students. Vandana ji, Leena ji, Archana ji is also there. Then, कौन है? हाँ, Gurvinder ji. सब पुराने PhD students बैठे हुए हैं. They are all PhD students. Ofra ji, very, very old students. Nidhi ji is also, ठीक है, senior student. सब ज्योति जी is also senior, but थोड़ा late आए. But these people, Gurvinder ji, Leena ji, and ये लोग है ना, एकदम day one से they are there. Vandana ji, all of them are there from day one. Archana ji and all. Now tell me, abhi the senior students are going to give answer. If the answer is wrong, मैं गुरविंदर जी चंडीगढ़ आऊंगी, लीना जी अंधेरी, okay, वंदना जी आपका देहरादून, everywhere I will go and I will come and sit in front of you and teach. ठीक है. Now tell me, let's say Shashi ji wants to understand that मेरा weight कितना ज्यादा है. How is she going to justify? See, each one of us, we are saying कि weight is more, weight बढ़ा है, बढ़ा है, बढ़ा है. अब बढ़ा है, पर कैसे बढ़ा है, कितना बढ़ा है, कैसे मैं justify करूं? You cannot give an excuse that 20 years back, the lehenga which I was wearing on my Karwa Chauth, now I am not going to wear, I am unable to wear that lehenga or blouse. नहीं, ये justification नहीं है. 20 years back आप शायद 30 साल के रहे होंगे, आज 50 के हैं, 40 के रहे होंगे, आज 60 के हैं. So things will change. लेकिन मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मेरा वेट कितना ज्यादा है? Whether I am coming in the obese category or overweight category or slightly थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, अब मुझे बताइए. The PhD student Gurvinder ji, let's begin with you. You tell me, how do I calculate?
Okay, It is for 5 feet for women. I'm saying for 5 feet it is 50 kgs, and for every inch it is 2.5 kgs added to that.
अच्छा, अभी now we must give a big round of applause to Gurvinder ji. बिल्कुल perfect calculation. Very good. Thank you so much.
But
Today, huh? On Teachers' Day, this was the best gift for me, that my student remembers the entire calculation. I'm really thankful to you. Okay? अच्छे बच्चे हैं मेरे, अच्छे students. Fine, very good. ठीक है, a quick revision, and for the new students, a quick, I'll tell you how do we calculate. आप कोई भी app मत देखना, ठीक है? Don't go by any app. A simple way of calculating. मैं सिर्फ फीमेल्स का बताती हूँ अभी, okay? I'll not tell about males. Okay? अब करना क्या है? If your height, see, we generally say that an Indian woman का height is 5 feet. 5 feet नहीं होता है, but हम मान के चलते हैं 5 feet height है. So 5 feet height, a woman's weight should be 50 kgs. Okay, fine. Now let's say Aman ji, आपका नाम अमान ही है ना? Yeah, okay. यहाँ पे अमान दिख
मेरा रोजीना है, मेरे बेटे ने
अच्छा,
डाला था।
okay, ठीक है, रोजीना जी. Okay, so let's say Rosina ji's height is 5 feet 4 inches. Okay, so every inch we will add 2.5 kgs. So 4 inch ज्यादा है रोजीना जी का, so which means 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. So 2.5 करेंगे तो 10 kgs हो जाएगा, correct? Though I'm not good at maths, but still without calculator I'm calculating. ठीक है ना? Okay, fine, 10 kgs. So ideal Indian women who is 5 feet height, her weight should be 50 kgs, but Rosina ji is 5 feet 4 inches. So 2.5, when we calculated 10 kgs extra. So 50 plus 10 is equal to 60 kgs. Simple calculation, easy था, कोई कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं किया मैंने. So Rosina ji should be weighing 60 kgs, but now we are going to take age also into consideration. So she can't weigh exact 60 kgs. So 3 to 4 kgs allowance we give, which means Rosina ji can be 3 to 4 kgs more or can be 3 to 4 kgs less. Okay, so let's say 63 to 64 kgs तक अगर इनका weight है, तो that's normal at post 55 years. 55 के ऊपर अगर आप हो जाते हो, ये कैलकुलेशन से अगर 3-4 किलो आप ज्यादा बढ़ाते हो, so that's okay, that's normal. अगर 56 भी है, underweight, we won't call it as underweight, that's normal. Okay, but if Rosina ji has crossed more, मतलब उनका 70 के ऊपर चला जाता है अगर weight, so that is overweight. And if it crosses 85, then it's obese. Now these 3 categories of weight you have to find out for yourself. See, बस weight कम करना है, weight कम करना है, weight तो कम करना है, पर कितना कम करना है, कैसे कम करना है, it is also important. Suddenly खाना एकदम कम कर देना, उसके बाद में suddenly lot of exercises, then again body is not accepting, you become very tired. नहीं होता है, body नहीं लेता है ना. So step by step we will do the weight loss. So step 1 for weight loss is, let me understand how many kgs extra my body is bearing. कितना मेरा बॉडी एक्स्ट्रा वेट लेके घूम रहा है, ठीक है? उसके लिए दिस कैलकुलेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो वंस यू कैलकुलेट, यू विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट नंबर. वो फिगर आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मुझे कितना वेट लॉस करना है. सो इफ इट इज जस्ट ओवरवेट, से let's say if it is just normal, थोड़ा सा 3-4 kgs कम करना. So let's say रोजीना जी का भी कितना होना चाहिए? 64 weight. But her weight is right now 68, just for example. So she has to lose only 4 kgs. Now losing 4 kgs for some people will be very easy, but for some people it will be very challenging. इतना इजी नहीं होता है, तो हमको इसलिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डाइट्स एंड एक्सरसाइज को इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. एंड वी कांट डू मच ऑफ डाइट, वी कांट डू मच ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, तो धीरे धीरे से वेट लॉस करेंगे. सो वेट लॉस का द बेस्ट तरीका इज, यू नो व्हाट इज अ सिंपल थिंग. व्हाई वेट गेन हमने क्यों किया? क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा खाया. सिंपल, देखो बिल्कुल सिंपल लॉजिक है. मुंह पे मैं बोल रही हूँ, आपको बुरा लगेगा, हमने बहुत एक्सेस खाया, चीजें पसंद आ रही है, खाते गए, क्या बर्न नहीं किया कैलोरी, ठीक है. सो अब क्या करेंगे वेट लॉस के लिए? रिमेंबर वन गोल्डन रूल, ईट what you are eating उससे ज्यादा important है at what time you are eating. If your timings are correct, if your quantity of food which you are eating is correct, so you will not put on weight. अभी अगर weight put on हो गया है तो उसको कम करने के लिए हमें quantity को और कम करना पड़ेगा, timing को we have to maintain. Now you remember, timing is very important. If you remember the classes which we had done long back, chrono nutrition for weight loss, it mentions only the timing. आप सही टाइम पे अगर खाते हो तो वेट आपका बढ़ेगा नहीं. अब बढ़ चुका है तो कोई बात नहीं, सही टाइम पे आप खाना शुरू कीजिए, क्वांटिटी कम कर दीजिए. दैट इज वन स्टेप. सेकेंड इज आप तो एक्सरसाइजिंग थोड़ा ज्यादा करना. एक्सरसाइजिंग का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मॉर्निंग 2 hours डेडिकेटेडली गोइंग फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक एंड डूइंग जिम, फिर इवनिंग में फिर से 1 घंटा वॉकिंग, नहीं. सो दिस वे यू आर पुटिंग एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर ऑन योर बॉडी. ये बॉडी फिर बहुत तकलीफ देगा आपको. सो सिंपल सिंपल थिंग्स लाइक yesterday all of us what we did, we stood up, right? तो ये 1 घंटे वाला जो प्रैक्टिस है ना, आई एम रियली टेलिंग यू, बहुत इजीली आपका वेट लॉस होगा. इफ एवरी आवर यू रिमेंबर, यू गेट अप फॉर 2 minutes, यू स्ट्रेच योर सेल्फ, आप एक्टिविटी करो. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज, जितना ज्यादा हम टाइम ये सोचकर हम टाइम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं कि बहुत लॉट ऑफ वॉकिंग एंड एक्सरसाइज व्हेन आई डू आई लूज वेट, उससे ज्यादा पता है फायदा आपको वेट लॉस, फैट लॉस कैसे होगा आपका, इजीली बताऊं. द मोर स्ट्रेचिंग यू डू, जितना स्ट्रेच आप करोगे, और पता है स्ट्रेचिंग के लिए यू नीड नॉट टेक आउट स्पेशल टाइम फॉर दैट. अगर आपके घर में कुक है, but still you will at least go once or twice inside the kitchen to make tea or to drink water. इतना तो हम करते हैं अगर आप कुक है, अगर घर पे नहीं कर. सो आप किचन में खड़े हो करके एक्वागार्ड में अगर बॉटल भर रहे पानी, सो आधा मिनट जो लगता है उसमें या 20 सेकेंड, सो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम यू जस्ट कैन होल्ड योर प्लेटफॉर्म एंड यू कैन, लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज आर देयर, इजी स्ट्रेचिंग ऑन यूट्यूब यू कैन गेट. सो सिंपल वैसे स्ट्रेच, डोर को पकड़ के स्ट्रेच, दिन में हर घंटे उठ करके 2 से 3 मिनट अगर आप स्ट्रेच करते हैं. एंड इफ यू आर ओबीज, इफ यू फॉल इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ ओबेसिटी, सो एवरी 1 hour स्टैंड अप, वॉक फॉरवर्ड, वॉक बैकवर्ड, 5 minutes के लिए यू डू स्ट्रेचिंग. होल्ड योर डोर, होल्ड योर डाइनिंग टेबल, कोई भी चीज को आप स्ट्रेच करो, हर घंटे 5-5 मिनट आप स्ट्रेच करो. सो लेट्स से कि आपने 5 घंटे, हर घंटे 5-5 मिनट स्ट्रेच किया, तो so many minutes of stretching you have done. Now with this stretching, it's not that you will lose your fat. Stretch करने से फायदा क्या हो रहा है? The more I am stretching myself, the more my digestive system improves. और digestive system मेरा improve होता है तो मैं अच्छे से, मेरा पेट साफ होगा, मेरे सारे सेल्स को नरिशमेंट मिलेगा. That's how I start losing weight, losing fat. Remember, weight loss is not just डाइट से रिस्ट्रिक्टेड. हमने बहुत सोच के खाई, इसको इतना सोच के खाते हैं कि उसको खाने को हम ज्यादा ही उसको एक्चुअल में ज्यादा अपने माइंड को परेशान कर रहे हैं while eating. So if you like a food, you eat, you bless the food, eat, that's okay, but don't overeat, correct? But if you do this stretching, आपका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इतना अच्छा होगा, इतना अच्छा होगा. अब मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ में 1 महीने के बाद जब आऊंगी ना, ड्यूरिंग द नवरात्रि टाइम, सो आई वुड लाइक टू सी ऑल द वीडियोज ऑन. फिर मैं जज करूंगी यहाँ बैठे बैठे किसका कितना वेट लॉस हुआ है, मेरे को दिखेगा वो स्क्रीन पे। 1 महीना, 1 मंथ से, सी डज इट साउंड वेरी हार्ड? यू जस्ट टेल मी, आपको बहुत दिक्कत वाली चीज लग रही है? नहीं ना, सिंपल है। क्या सिंपल है? सिर्फ हमें 4 टाइप्स ऑफ एसिड, पहला तो हमको मुद्रा करना है, द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट वन, वेन एवर यू आर फ्री। वन इज द ये वायु मुद्रा, सेकेंड इज द प्राण मुद्रा, थर्ड इज हकिनी मुद्रा, मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग, मॉर्निंग एंड नाइट 5 minutes. 3 mudras, very simple, but without giving break. Second step will be 4 types of acids we have to consume. कैसे consume करेंगे? Every day just 1 आंवला, if not आंवला, just take 2 spoon of आंवला juice, that is enough. Just 2 drops of lemon juice, enough. Okay, once in a week tamarind का कुछ बना के खा लेंगे, सांबार या कुछ भी आप बना लेंगे, ठीक है? हुआ ये 3 चीज, yes or no? याद है आपको? लिख के रखा है आप लोगों ने? You have written down. Okay, these 3, at least these 3 you can follow. बस ये 3 तो कर सकते हैं ना?
Malic acid, mango.
मैंगो अचार, चलो आपको डॉक्टर ने डरा के रख दिया है कि आप नहीं ले सकते अचार, आपका बीपी बढ़ जाएगा, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा हो जाएगा, डर लग रहा है अचार खाने को, तो मैंगो नहीं खा, बट एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ वीक अचार खाओ, कुछ नहीं होगा, यू कैन हैव। ओके, सो 4 एसिड्स ये हुआ पेट का अपना सिस्टम जो एसिड को ठीक करने के लिए। दिस वाज द सेकेंड स्टेप, राइट? थर्ड इज थोड़ा सा कच्चा वेजिटेबल जूस या सैलेड या फिर जस्ट स्टीम किया हुआ वेजिटेबल, इतना अगर आप कर लेंगे, दैट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प in weight loss. And the 4th guideline, very important, is every 1 hour stretch yourself. Someone has written what type of stretching. Okay, even I'm even walking now but still not losing weight. See, remember, we expect result very fast. देखो, आप थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल भी रहना पड़ेगा, प्रैक्टिकल रहना पड़ेगा, है ना? करेक्ट है? हमने भर के रख लिया है सालों से, एंड वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट विद इन अ मंथ और 2 months और 3 months वो एकदम से कम हो जाना चाहिए, नहीं होगा। इट विल टेक टाइम, एंड देन आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एज हम बहुत रिगरस कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हैं, करेक्ट? सो हमको धीरे धीरे ही करना पड़ेगा। सो क्वेश्चन कम्स, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग? What type of stretching? Anyways, on Get Set Up, you might be doing lot of stretching, and Gurvinder ji is showing one type of stretching. One is you are just taking your hands up, खींच रहे। स्ट्रेच ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हर बार जब आप अपने आप को खींचते हो, see the entire body जब आप खींचते हो पूरा ऐसा, you should feel कि आप you have grown 2 inches tall. इतना खींचो अपने आप को। एक तो स्ट्रेट खींचना, द बेस्ट पता है कैसे खींचना? आपका जो डोर रहता है, डोर का जो ऊपर का पार्ट है, इफ यू आर नॉर्मल हाइट, आई एम टॉल, सो मेरा तो हाथ बहुत आसानी से जाता है, बट जो नॉर्मल हाइट के, आप उसको टच करो ऊपर के पार्ट को, एंड ऊपर का पार्ट इतना इजीली टच नहीं होता है, दोज हु आर ऑफ नॉर्मल हाइट। सो आप उसको टच कर रहे हो, टच कर रहे हो, यू आर ग्रोइंग टॉलर टॉलर टॉलर। सो इस तरह से अपने आप को जब सोचते हो ना, आई हैव ग्रोन 2 inches टॉलर, 3 inches टॉलर, विच मीन्स आपका प्रॉपर स्ट्रेचिंग हो रहा है। दैट इज वन वे ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग। And see, otherwise you get lot of videos on YouTube stretching का simple way. Second is you're holding, आपका जो किचन का जो प्लेटफॉर्म होता है ना, जो गैस के पास जहाँ पे रखा हुआ होता है, आप उसको वहां पे पकड़ के खड़े हो, and your feet is behind, एकदम पीछे जा रहा है। So it is a very good stretch for your, again all these stretches are good for your stomach and back only. Mainly हमको फैट जो है यहाँ से ही निकालना है, stomach and back से। ओके, सो दिस स्ट्रेचिंग साइड वाइज, लव हैंडल्स आ जाते हैं ना, बहुत फैट हो जाता है बैक साइड में, तो व्हेन यू वेयर अ ब्लाउज इट लुक्स वेरी ऑड, राइट? सो साइड वाइज जब स्ट्रेच करते हैं, सो देन वो अपना फैट कम होता है। सो मोर ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग विल हेल्प टू, अपना जो पेट का जो डाइजेस्टिव पावर है ना, उसको बढ़ाने में हेल्प करता है। वो करते 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 धीरे धीरे फैट लॉस होता है। सो दीज आर सिंपल गाइडलाइंस where you can easily, you can attain your goal. I need to increase my weight according to the formula, I would be, but I'm 50. Now those people who are underweight, so underweight का जो category है वो बहुत कम, 0.001% लोग ही मिलते हैं, अदरवाइज ओवरवेट में 99% आ जाते हैं, ठीक है। सो बेचारे अंडरवेट को बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहता है, हम कैसे अपना वेट बढ़ाएं। सो अंडरवेट, सी ओवरवेट और अंडरवेट एनी केस, हर चीज में एक ही फॉर्मूला है कि हमारा डाइजेशन प्रॉपर नहीं हो रहा है, नरिशमेंट सेल को नहीं मिल रहा है। सो इफ यू आर अंडरवेट देन स्टार्ट हैविंग अ गुड डाइट। अब गुड डाइट जो था, कल परसों के क्लास में आई हैव डिस्कस्ड व्हाट ऑल things we can include, which is called, what is called as a good diet. So when we start including a proper nourishing diet at right time and blessing the food, eating with gratitude, right? वहां पे ये I was कल या परसों, आई डोंट नो, ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, दो इट वाज अ जोक बट स्टिल मेरे को देख के थोड़ा हंसी भी आया, थोड़ा मैं सोच भी रही थी। सो देयर वाज अ दादी हु वाज वाचिंग सम सीरियल, खाते खाते सीरियल देखते हुए, एंड शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग अ लॉट। फिर वो जो पोता था उसने पूरा शूट कर लिया दादी को रोते हुए, एंड फिर वो टीवी स्क्रीन को शूट किया। वो एक्ट्रेस जो भी है उसके साथ कुछ हो रहा था, तो दादी वाज सो इन्वॉल्व्ड, शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग। ओके, तो हम ऐसा जब देख करके खाते हैं, व्हेन यू आर नॉट इन अ गुड मूड, व्हेन देयर इज नो हंगर, ठीक है, ऐसे ऐसे टाइम पे जब हम खाते हैं ना, इट इज ऑफ नो यूज, कोई नरिशमेंट मिलता नहीं है। सो प्रॉपर टाइम पे खुशी से खाइए। खा लिया, चलो थोड़ा सा खा लिया, क्या करें। अभी गुरविंदर जी के बेटे का बर्थडे है, तो बहू ने बोला आप नहीं खाएंगे मम्मी, आपके बेटे का तो बर्थडे है, तो फिर मना कैसे करें। तो खाया, आप खाने के बाद गिल्ट में मत जाना, एक्सेस भी मत खाना, दैट्स इट, राइट। सो दीज आर द स्मॉल थिंग्स व्हिच वी हैव टू
Second and
टेक
third
केयर।
mudra. Second and third mudra. Second and third mudra.
First one was this, yeah.
Second one.
Your second is prana mudra, like this,
Okay. Okay.
and third is
Pranam.
this, hakini mudra.
All 5 fingers.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so acha, okay, Lalita ji is saying very, very informative class. See, information, you get loads of information anywhere nowadays on internet, but it has to be, one is information, one is knowledge. So how much knowledge you have gained today, how much you are going to implement that knowledge in yourself, in your day-to-day life, and how you are going to inspire others. ये आज का
all
अपना
this
न्यूट्रिशन
all this
चाहिए,
you've
हाँ?
told helps in immunity and everything, but is there something more which helps in immunity other than this nuts ho gaye aur kuch?
No, I didn't get your question. Who is asking this question?
Man, Dr. Ravinder, like what I'm saying
What
is
was
ki
asked?
you, all this is of course very good and it helps in immunity, I'm sure, and health, but something more can you add on for immunity if we want to add?
See, actually, if you add, there can be lot of things can be added, but there is one aspect which we have never touched on. This we are talking only about the nourishment, nutrition for the body, right? But we are not talking about the mind. That is the gut-brain connection. So, if you, apart from having good food, good diet, and then right time and everything, whatever I have suggested right now, but if the mindset is very calm, is very happy, is very contented, that also helps in increasing the immunity. So
Okay.
so that we never touched that part, because
And also maybe chewing for long your food,
that
you know,
is, yeah,
take
that is,
time.
see, these things we know, but we are not, doing all these things. These are certain things like chewing, so many times in a day, not drinking water along with food. Now, each one of us, we know, but we are not putting
Doing
that,
it.
the day-to-day discipline. So,
Yeah.
of course, when we do that, definitely we are going to increase the immunity. Yeah, Vandana
Thank
ji,
you.
thank you, Vandana ji.
हाँ, मैं जो लेमन टी पीते हैं, जैसे ब्लैक टी हम पीते हैं विदाउट मिल्क, उसमें नींबू डालते हैं, वो
हाँ,
कितना फायदे वाला है?
नहीं, अच्छा है, वो आप पी सकते हैं। यस।
ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम उसमें जब पत्ती का वार्म वाटर डालते हैं तो उतने से तो कुछ नहीं होता,
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा।
क्योंकि वी आर नॉट बॉइलिंग इट ना।
नहीं, लेमन टी इज गुड, यू कैन हैव, या ओके,
थैंक यू।
Especially post lunch, no?
पोस्ट लंच करके नहीं, पोस्ट लंच एक्चुअली बटर मिल्क इज बेस्ट। लेमन
Okay.
टी का गुड टाइमिंग इज ईदर मॉर्निंग और मिड मॉर्निंग, फिर
Okay.
ये टाइम बहुत अच्छा रहता है, काफी
ठीक
अच्छे से वर्क करता है। ओके, एंड विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी, वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, because
Thank you.
one of us, we all are teachers, Correct? हम बच्चों को
No,
हमने
you
सब
are the most important teacher right now.
we all are
Thank you.
teachers.
Thank you.
We all are teachers.
Ganesha Gauri, Ganesha festival, happy.
Happy,
All of
happy
you.
Ganesh Chaturthi. Happy
Yes,
Ganesh
happy
Chaturthi.
Ganesh.
Very
Wisdom.
nice.
Is the recording available? Thank you so much.
I don't know that maybe you'll have to ask to get set up clean.
No,
Okay.
we should add to that to view later on.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah,
thank you so
but-
much. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye
Thank
all.
you. Happy Teachers' Day.